Hey, are you a developer and or part of an organization that's interested in testing a open weights artificial intelligence, maybe a large language model, maybe a small language model? If you are, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can access and install Alibaba Qwen 3.8 27 billion parameter model. Now, at the time of this video creation, it's available on 3 different platforms, 3 different ways. Just basically 3 different ways to access. It's available on Hugging Face, Qwen Cloud, and Alibaba Cloud Model Studio, which I believe the Cloud Model Studio is actually a way that developers can build generative artificial intelligence applications. Now, a warning is that this is an open weight model. However, the license is the Apache version 2.0 license. However, you would want to read the license because when it comes to open weight, they can be restrictive. You might be able to fine tune them, but that does not necessarily mean that you can modify the actual programming source code. All right, now this is their official GitHub page for the Qwen 3.8 27 billion parameter. And you scroll down, and I thought everything was all good. Hugging Face, Qwen Cloud, Alibaba Cloud Model Studio. I'm giving them 2 strikes, Alibaba, because the link to Qwen Cloud and the Alibaba Cloud Studio Uniform Resource Locator hyperlinks link to 3.8 maximum, which is a 2.4 terabyte parameter model. It is not the same model. This Qwen 3.8 27 billion parameter, it's smaller, it's not the same model. So they received 2 strikes from me because that will confuse people. It will. Now their Hugging Face, they linked. Now, I mean, seriously, you hover over them and they take you to these links. That's how I found them. And they link to the 3.8 maximum. It's not the same model. And therefore, I can't tell you what the token prices are and maybe a few other details that I would normally. All right. Qwen 3.8 27 billion parameter. This is from their official Hugging Face. You can browse the huggingface.co. Look for the Qwen 3.8 27B, the Uniform Resource Locator is highlighted on screen. You could just, you'll be able to find it, you know what I'm saying. All right, now you can deploy, on Hugging Face, then you can deploy it, is one way. Let me move so I can then, and you'll be able to see everything. You can deploy it as inference using a list of inference providers. I'm not going to go all of them, but if you have an inference provider of choice, you could choose that option. HF inference endpoints, friendly endpoints. Are they really that friendly? Are they? Maybe they're a bit, uppity and condescending. I mean, cloud providers, Amazon SageMaker Artificial Intelligence. So if you have a cloud provider, one of these, you can deploy it that way. A Microsoft Foundry, and Google Cloud, and then Spaces applications, that might be considered a framework. Then, if you have a Hugging Face account, you must have a Hugging Face account. You would click on Copy to Bucket. That's another way. And then you can use this model with a list of libraries. Well, one of them is Transformers. That's the only one. Inference providers, probably the same list. I'm not going to go over all of them. Notebook, Abstract, Google Collaborator, Kaggle, and then local applications, which are basically like a framework. Well, they are a framework. What is it? Virtual Large Language Model, SGLang, and Docker Model Runner. So that is actually how you can then, a framework is software that you have to install ahead of time, and then you install the model inside of it. Cloud, you can, install it to a cloud. And then actually on Hugging Face, you can then copy it to a bucket. That's a problem. When you don't link directly to the official pages, that's causes a problem. So let me show them to you. They link directly from their official GitHub. It's all good. Well, but this is the 3.8 open source. It's the 3.824 terabyte. And then A95B, 95 billion parameters. It's not the same model. The model that I'm speaking about is this 27 billion parameter. There's less parameters. It's not the exact same model, or it's not the same, right? And so I can't give you accurate information pertaining to the pricing. I don't know if these are the prices are the same. They did not have separate pages for the 27 billion parameter model. That's a problem. That's strike one, because this is from QwenCloud.com. And then strike two is that on their model studio page that they link directly from their official GitHub for the 3.827 billion parameter, they linked it to the 3.8 maximum. I can't tell you if this is reliable, if it's accurate, if it's the same. The token the token prices, even the input, what it allows as input. Now what you could do is that you could browse to this GitHub page, right? GitHub.com, look for the Qwen, the Alibaba Cloud Official, look under their models, or even the separate pages like this one. You go to the models, QwenCloud.com/models, and look to see if they have a separate page. I don't care if it's small. They should have had a separate page for each, so then people would not be confused about prices and specifications. You know what I'm saying? Call me a grouch. I do not care. And no, it has nothing to do with the fact that they're Alibaba, which is a Chinese company. No, I'm not a xenophobe, but me personally, I don't like to waste time and then be confused, especially when it comes to prices. Token prices are important nowadays with the token maxing, and you know what I'm saying. Adios.